I'm Beatrice Anabibong. My student ID is 2020472998. I'm from group AG232. In this video, I'm going to present a video of plant propagation. So, let's go! In this video, I would like to introduce about propagation technique, which is layering. What is layering? Layering is one of the methods to propagate new plant, whereby the new plant remains attached to the mother plant while forming new roots. This propagation method is generally successful due to the minimization of water stress. Additionally, the carbohydrate and mineral nutrient levels are high. In the other words, the development of roots on a stem while the stem is still attached to the parent plant is called layering. Newly rooted layered stem is then detached and established as new independent plant. There are several types of layering such as tip layering, mount layering, L layering, simple layering, and others. Air layering is done by peeling the bark from the middle of a branch and covering this exposed wood with moist soil and plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Roots will take around 4 until 6 weeks to form inside the soil. Then, the rooted tip from the plant can be cut and planted as independent plant. For example, types of plant that could use L layering method to propagate are including camellia, magnolia, rubber, and others. So, I have chosen to propagate calamansi lime tree using air layering and also known as marcoting. So, these are the materials that I have used, such as rooting powder, used plastic bag, ropes, scissors, moist soil, and sharp knife. Additionally, we could use aloe vera to replace the rooting powder in order to encourage the root growth. So, this is the video I demonstrate the calamansi lime tree propagation of L layering. Firstly, I used sharp knife to peel a round of bark on the branch where the roots will form. I have chosen the straight, healthy, and vigorous stem in order to produce a good quality of new plants. Now, I'm going to apply the rooting powder to the surface of the wound. Alright, now I'm going to prepare the medium, which is moist soil, to cover the wound stem. After that, I use my hand to shape the medium into a flat shape and make a space in the middle to allow it to cover the wound. Then, I'm just squeeze the medium to make sure it attached to the stem. Alright, after covered the wound stem with medium, I wrap it using a piece of used plastic bag. Last but not least, I'm going to use ropes to tie them together on the end of the both sides. All done. Easy, right? After that, I'm going to explain on the advantages of air layering. Alright, let's continue with the advantages. One of the advantages of air layering is tree will not be stressed since the branch is supplied with water and nutrients through the mother plant. Besides, air layering is a simple method to propagate new plant. It is easy to perform since it involves less work compared to other propagation methods. Last but not least, this method is good for difficult to root species. That means plants which cannot be easily rooted by stem cuttings may be made to root through layering. In the conclusion, I recommend this method of plant propagation since it is easier to be done and it requires shorter time to be produced compared to other methods. Alright, as you can see in the slide, this is my reference to do this video. I think that's all from me. Thank you.